Remember the good old days? The days when dropping your phone didn't give you a heart attack about a cracked screen, but instead, you were worried you broke the floor. No, that's because it was a Nokia. That trust, that legendary durability was unmatched, but can Nokia actually make a comeback in the modern smartphone world? The answer is a massive yes. And it's not just a comeback, it's a total takeover. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we aren't just talking about a phone, we are talking about a straight-up monster. A device that is throwing down the gauntlet to every other flagship brand out there. After a long wait, the sleeping giant has awoken, introducing Nokia's most powerful, most premium smartphone ever, the NOKIA Dragon Pro 5G. Now, if you're thinking, oh great, another video just reading off camera specs, stop right there. This phone is going to blow your mind. We're breaking down the insane features, the price, and the release date you need to know about. So, stick around until the end, and let's dive in. Features of the NOKIA Dragon Pro 5G. Display. First up, let's talk visuals because Nokia's philosophy here is simple: immerse yourself. We are looking at a massive 6.93-inch Super AMOLED display. But it gets better. It's rocking a QHD Plus resolution, and for the smoothness junkies, you're getting a 144Hz refresh rate. That means every scroll and every animation is going to be buttery smooth. And gamers, listen up, this beast comes with a 390Hz touch sampling rate. Your inputs are going to register faster than your reflexes. Staying true to the Nokia legacy, this screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7. Worried about water or dust? Forget about it. With an IP68 rating, the Dragon can practically go for a swim. Camera setup. Now for the feature everyone cares about, the cameras. And folks, Nokia came to play. On the back, we have a quad camera setup that is absolutely stacked. The main shooter is a massive 200-megapixel DSLR-style sensor. Backing that up is a sharp 50-megapixel ultra-wide, a 32-megapixel telephoto for those zoom shots, and an 8-megapixel macro sensor for the details. Basically, you could capture a bird from a mile away and still count its feathers. And selfie lovers, you aren't left out. The front houses a 50-megapixel shooter, so your Instagram and TikTok game is about to go to the next level. Performance. The name is Dragon for a reason, it breathes fire. Under the hood, it's powered by the cutting-edge Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor. Whether you are editing 4K video or running the heaviest games on max settings, this chip will crush it. Multitasking. It won't even break a sweat. Plus, it's running on the latest Android 16 right out of the box, for the cleanest experience possible. Battery backup. But all that power needs juice, and Nokia went huge. We are talking about a 7200 mAh battery. That is a tank, and when you finally do run low, it supports 100-watt superfast charging. Picture this. You plug it in, go grab a coffee, and by the time you're back, you're already past 50%. Insane, right? Price and launch date. Okay, the million-dollar question. How much will this beast cost, and when can I buy it? Now, Nokia hasn't dropped the official press release yet. However, based on our sources and market leaks, for a phone with these specs, we are looking at a price range between $600 and $750. That puts it squarely in flagship killer territory. As for the release date, rumors point to a summer drop, likely June or July of this year. Get your wallets ready because this thing is going to make waves. So guys, the real question is, will the Nokia Dragon Pro 2026 make it to your wishlist? Can Nokia reclaim the throne? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below.